wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best dog ramps for boats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. It's easy to get this model from Avery hunting gear in place when your pup needs it, as it simply takes a few seconds to hook it over the edge. The ramp has 4 grip steps down the middle, giving your pooch something to grab onto while she's climbing out of the water. The fabric provides lots of traction and is made of durable materials. However, it may take a dog a while to figure out. At number 5, the Solvit petsafe deluxe can support a whopping 400 pounds. So if that's not enough for your dog, you may need to cut back on the milk bones. There's no easy way to attach it to a boat though, so you'll likely have to hold one end down as he scrambles up. It is good for reaching grooming tables and extends up to 72 inches, but the surface can be harsh on some paws. Coming in at number 4 on our list, this offering from Perfect Life Ideas has a non-skid anti-slip surface that will provide sure footing for your dog even if she just climbed out of the lake. This makes it good for older pets or those with arthritis or hip dysplasia as well. A safety latch holds it in place and it collapses for easy storage. It works well in cars and RVs too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog ramps for boats, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, there won't be any metal coming in contact with your boat when you use the Waterdog Adventure Gear LM6H, ensuring that your sweet camo paint job stays pristine. It's collapsible as well, so it won't be in your way when you get a bite or a bead on a duck. It floats if dropped overboard and is good for larger breeds. Rubber feet hold it firmly in place. At number 2, the Solvit petsafe Smart weighs only 16 pounds, so you won't throw your back out lugging it around. You can save that for when you have to bend over and pick your pooch up. Even so, it can support up to 300 pounds, enabling you to walk with your dog up onto the boat. It features a high traction surface and raised guardrails on the sides. It has very little flex too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if your pup likes to hop out of the boat to take a dip, then you should have the Dog-On water ramp attached to your watercraft. It floats and the mesh ramp lets your buddy climb up whenever he's done without snagging his feet or claws. It's also good for pools and won't rust or rot. The mesh allows for easy drainage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog ramps for boats, or simply click beneath this video.